Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use emotes in Rewind's Mid. Okay, this is the PC version, but this is going to work the same because I'm going to show you how you can do it in general. Now it's going to be very easy. We're just going to have to press escape to get into our menu. And now I'm just going to press the F2 key on my keyboard, which is the emotes. But in general, you can just find this little icon and you can just press it, depending on what platform you're playing on. So just press F2 or the equivalent button, or just click here. Now this little menu is going to open. As you can see, we have different categories: talent, puzzle, multiplayer, solo, or common. You're going to have many of them and you're going to unlock more as you progress the game. I'm going to go to solo here and I'm going to do one of them, and I'm just going to actually press the actual number that is calling. Okay, for example, I can play that. Okay, and this is going to go on and on and on after I stop it. How am I going to stop it? Is by actually pressing another button, okay? Such as, for example, the walk button or the jump button. I'm going to get out of this. I can also do like a more simple one, which is going to be like the press one, like this. And remember that you have, actually more solo. You kind of have to go through, you kind of have to press tab and then, scroll down with your wheel, kind of like this. So yeah. I'm going to show you one more, which is Nap Immortal. And to get out of this, I actually need to press F3. So I'm just going to press it, and I'm going to go. Yeah, you have many different ones. Just try them and let us know what you think. Thanks so much.